Hey guys, Shay here from Metra Electronics. We've partnered with VIBE Audio and are offering vehicle-specific plug-and-play audio kits for Ford, Jeep, Chevrolet, GMC, and Toyota. These kits offer replacement speakers, vehicle-specific amp racks, amplifiers, and a subwoofer in an OEM-style fit enclosure. We are now offering these vehicle-specific subwoofer enclosures for purchase without having to buy the full audio kit. These enclosures were developed by Metra's master technicians and offer a precise OEM-style fit while maximizing performance and space efficiency. These enclosures come preloaded with a VIBE Audio Black Air shallow mount subwoofer featuring a purpose-built motor assembly capable of handling up to 300 watts RMS and 900 watts peak power. The dual 2-ohm voice coil provides flexible wiring options and are easily configured at the enclosure's terminal connector. The enclosure's design produces deep, thunderous low-end bass, while the premium MDF construction ensures durability and acoustic accuracy. Every detail is engineered to work seamlessly with the included VIBE subwoofer, delivering exceptional bass performance tailored to your vehicle. So check out our lineup of VIBE audio kits, direct fit speaker kits, and now subwoofer enclosures on our website at metraonline.com.